Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It is Crystal here. I'm here because I wanted to do a code review on how to normalize data in a list. So basically, in the past, I'd always been normalizing data in a data set, but now I'm going to normalize data in a list, which is done just a little bit differently. So I'm using my Jupyter notebook that I have created to make statistics functions, and so I put this function in that Jupyter notebook. So the formula to normalize data in a list is x minus x min over x max minus x min, and what that will do is that will take all of your data and it will convert it to a value between 0 and 1. And so as you can see here with my list with 600, 470, 300, 500, 170, 430, 300, 500, 300. The highest value was 600. So you can see here that it is represented by a 1. And the lowest value was 170. And so you can see right here that it is represented by 0. And all of the other values are going to be a value between 0 and 1. And it makes it easier when models are making predictions and things like that, and that's why they normalize the data. So I've already explained normalizing data, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go over the function that I've created to actually normalize the data. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create your function and call it normalise, and it's going to accept a list, and then you're going to print the original list. So we see that we've printed the original list here. And so your x min is going to be a function that I have previously created called find min, and it's going to accept the list. And x max is going to be a function that I have previously created called numList. So for ix in enumerate numList, numList I equals x minus x min over x max over minus x min, and then you're going to return the numList. Then what we're going to do is we're going to print the normalized list, and it's going to be normList, and it's going to accept the list that we already have created, and you can see here all of the values are between 0 and 1. So that's how you normalize data. Quite often the computer programs want to see normalized data. They don't work very well if you have like lots of varying values, and that's why they've done it. So the functions that I pre-created were find min and find max, and I had previously gone over these in another code review, but I can come up here. So this is the first function, find minimum value in the list. And then here's the second function, find maximum value in the list. So those are the two functions you're going to use. And as I said, I've just been making this Jupyter notebook, and putting all of the formulas that I've made into it, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it when I finish it. I know I'm going to do something, so watch this space. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video because we've talked about the normalized list, which is what I wanted to do. But I want to thank my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you again for watching this video, and I would like to make more videos for you in the future.